Hi, Chuck here, and I got some Hot Wheels to show you. Hot Wheels Premiums, no less. The latest modern classics that I've just found in early 2025. Although technically it's the 2024 release. This is the fifth time that Hot Wheels Premium have put out a modern classic set. There's one in 2017 was the first one, then one in 2020, one in 2021, one in 2023, and this one, although I found it in 2025, is a 2024 set. Being the fifth set of modern classics, I always like modern classic sets when they come out. There's usually some pretty cool cars, very realistic looking ones. Here, number one, Nissan Skyline GTR R32 Pandem. Alright, some highly customized real Nissan Hot Wheels logo, and looks like we have some anime graphics on it. This one is definitely going to be the hardest to find out of the whole set. The JDM crew's going for it. It's a sweet car. It's got the Hot Wheels and the enemy. That's very nice. Alright, number two here. 1990 Mercedes-Benz 190E 2.5 16 Evolution 2. Well, that's a mouthful. It's a nice Mercedes sedan. Nicely detailed, front and back, four-door. That's a nice Mercedes. You gotta love that. Number three, Nissan Sil 80. I don't know, maybe it's an electric car or something. I don't know. It's definitely, I'm sure, some very specialized real car. Nicely detailed. That's pretty nice. I like that. Those wheels are wild. Don't quite match the rest of it, but that's okay. Alright, number four. Nissan Skyline GTR BNR33. It's another Nissan Skyline. There's so many of these. I know the JDM crowd goes nutty for them, and all those letters and numbers. That's a pretty nice car. They know just what it means. I know. I got a bunch of different Nissans. It's hard for me to remember which is which, but that is a nice, clean-looking car right there. That is pretty sweet. I like that. All right. Number five, Subaru Forester STI. Subaru wagon. That's pretty cool. I'm not really familiar with, well, I've seen plenty of Foresters, but not wagon. Well, they are sort of wagons. I don't know. Doesn't look familiar to me, but that is a nice casting. Very nice. I like that. So we go. We have a Subaru, a Nissan, a Mercedes, and a Nissan. There. I would say that is very definitely a JDM set. So you got three Nissans, a Subaru, and a Mercedes. So I had to throw the Mercedes in something else. I mean, get rid of the Mercedes and you'd have a pure JDM set. But it's a pretty nice set. I like it very much. I like all of them. I like that number one, the Pandem, the Mercedes. I love Mercedes. I like that Nissan because it's so red. That one too. And this one, I mean, well, they're all so good. This to me is a Hot Wheels set. I like this one very much. And it's just starting to come out of the stores now, early in 2025. Hope you can find it if you're looking for it. Happy Hot Wheeling, everybody.